Welcome to day 30 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do product research and find out how many others are selling similar products by doing this one thing. Let me show you how. A quick way to validate any product idea and see how many other people are competing in the same space is using Etsy search bar. So just head over to Etsy.com, type in the product that you're thinking of selling, and do a quick search. This automatically will pull up all the listings that use that tag, but will also give you this information right here. It tells you 39,000 other people are using that tag in their listing. So this is actually going to tell you that the competition is not as high for Habit Tracker Planner, so it will be a good one. However, if you were selling, let's say, digital planner, and you did a quick search on that, it does come up as 528,000 other people are using that exact tag. So this wouldn't be a good keyword to use because it's super saturated. But this is a quicker way to validate your product idea and see what is the competition. Let me know if you knew about this hack, and thanks for watching.